how to fix your AirPods case not charging. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a couple of reasons why it would be occurring. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check the basics. You want to make sure that your cable, your charger, your power source are completely working properly. If not, you can simply check for frayed wires, bent pins, or damaged used Apple certified cables if possible. Dirt or debris can also block the connection, so you want to clean the lightning port gently with a dry cotton swab. If that is still not the case, you want to try plugging in your case and check the LED. If there is amber color, which is going to be charging, green is going to be fully charged, and no light means try other steps. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open the lid, press and hold the setup button on the back for 15 seconds until the light flashes, which is going to reset your AirPod. If that is still not working, try wireless charging your AirPod or even remove the case cover. If none of it works, simply go ahead and contact your nearest Apple store. I hope this video clarifies everything.